So you want to be that blogger, right? The one who hits publish and watches the traffic flood in, maybe even ditch the 9 to 5 and blog full time. And you've heard the buzz about AI, how it can get you there faster, work smarter, all that.
What's really got people talking is how AI can help you, strike while the iron's hot. We're talking about spotting trending topics right now, today, and not last month, and getting your content out there before the competition even realizes what's happening.
We're not talking like predicting the next viral cat video, right?
Not exactly, no. Think more like you're in the tech niche, yeah. Suddenly, bam! A new gadget drops. Everyone's going crazy for it, but nobody's got those deep dive reviews up yet. The comparisons, nothing. Tools like SEO Writing AI or Jasper, those can get you in the game instantly.
Hold on. So I can feed these AI tools some basic info about this gadget, and they just, spit out a blog post for me, like magic.
Well, not a finished post, but think of it as a supercharged first draft. You can get catchy titles that are already optimized for search engines, detailed outlines in seconds, even whole sections drafted.
Okay, now I'm picturing myself, margarita in hand, on a beach somewhere while AI churns out my content. But realistically, how much of that AI stuff is actually usable? Do I need to be some kind of tech whiz to make sense of it all?
You definitely don't need to be a tech genius, that's for sure. Most of these platforms are, really user-friendly, even if you're just starting out. And honestly, the quality can be surprisingly good, like ChatGPT. That one's great for testing out different writing styles, so you can play around with different voices, tones, until you find what fits your blog's, vibe.
But you still got to give it that human touch, right?
Yeah.
We don't want our blogs sounding like, robots wrote them.
Exactly. Think of AI as your brainstorming buddy, your first draft assistant, right? It helps you bust through writer's block, get your thoughts organized, even handles some of the boring stuff like writing summaries or social media captions. But you're the editor. You curate it all, bring your own unique voice and perspective.
So let's say I've got this AI-generated content. How do I actually make sure it's, good? We're talking grammar, making it clear, engaging for readers, not just a jumble of keywords.
That's where a tool like undetectable.ai can be super helpful. It helps make sure your content doesn't raise any red flags, And honestly, never underestimate a good editor. Whether it's another person reading it over or even just a good grammar checking software, that extra layer of quality control, it's essential.
Okay, so we've got the writing part down. But what about getting those blog posts out into the world? I feel like I spend half my life just trying to figure out the best times to post on social media or respond to comments. It's a lot.
Oh, AI can be a game changer for scheduling and promotion too.
Yeah.
There are tools that track your audience when they're online, what they're doing, and then automatically schedule your posts for, maximum impact. And it's not just when to post, it's where. AI can help you tweak your content for different platforms.
So I could take my amazing blog post about, let's say, eco-friendly cleaning products, and AI can help me turn that into an Instagram caption, a Twitter thread, maybe even a whole Pinterest board.
Exactly. You're essentially leveraging that one piece of content across multiple platforms, and you're not even breaking a sweat. And here's the even better part. AI can track how each post is performing on each platform, like, are people clicking your links, engaging with your posts? AI gives you that data so you can constantly improve your strategy.
This is starting to sound very data-driven, which I have to say I am here for. But let's be real, most bloggers are also trying to, make some money from this. Does AI have any tricks up its sleeve when it comes to monetization?
Now that's where things get really interesting.
So we're talking AI that's like, a marketing intern telling me where to post, when to post, even tweaking the message for each platform?
And then, hands you the performance reports. Like, here's what's working, here's what's not. But what's really cool is it's not just about doing the boring stuff for you. AI can actually look at your content, look at your audience, and spot money-making opportunities that, honestly, you might have totally missed.
Okay, like what? Give me an example. I'm all about those hidden income streams.
Let's say your blog is all about, restoring vintage furniture.
Okay, love it.
Right. So you're posting about techniques, showing those before and after pictures, that kind of thing. AI can analyze all that, and it starts picking up on patterns. The words you use, the products you mention, even the questions people are asking in the comments.
So AI is like my data detective.
Mm-hmm.
Finding clues to turn my passion into profit.
Exactly. It might find that, hey, a bunch of your readers are struggling to find eco-friendly paint stripper. Or maybe they keep asking where to find vintage hardware. Suddenly, boom, you've got this perfect opportunity for affiliate marketing.
Okay, so instead of just hoping people click on random affiliate links, the AI is helping me pick the right products to promote. stuff my audience actually needs and is interested in based on what they're already looking at.
Precisely. You're not just guessing anymore. You're using real data to create content that converts,
My inner entrepreneur is very happy right now. But let's be real, affiliate marketing isn't exactly passive income, is it?
You're right. It takes work, definitely. But the good news is AI can help streamline a lot of that too. For example, there are tools that automatically add those affiliate links to your posts, track how they're doing, even suggest different products if something's not working.
No way. That's incredible. But even with all that automation, doesn't it feel a little, impersonal? I got into blogging to connect with people, not algorithms.
That's such a good point, and it's definitely something to be mindful of. AI is an amazing tool, right, for efficiency, optimization, all that, but it should never replace that human connection. Your voice, your stories, the way you interact with your readers, that's what makes your blog stand out.
So it's about finding that balance
Yeah.
between automation and, keeping it real.
Exactly. Use AI for the stuff that drains you so you can focus on what you love about blogging, whether that's writing great stories, connecting with your readers, or just geeking out about your niche.
I like it. AI is my super efficient assistant handling the details, and that frees me up to be the creative one, the visionary.
That's a great way to look at it. And the more you learn about AI and how to use it, the more you can tweak it to fit your style, your goals.
Yes, a lot to process.
Yeah.
I feel like we've just skimmed the surface of what's possible with AI and blogging.
We've covered a lot, for sure. But there's so much more out there. That's what's so exciting about this. It's constantly changing, always new tools, new possibilities popping up.
It's almost like AI is pushing us as bloggers to up our game. Think differently about how we create and share.
Absolutely. It's challenging for sure, but it's also this huge opportunity to try new things, innovate, and really find success in the blogging world. We've thrown a lot of information at you, so before we get too far ahead of ourselves, let's take a step back, talk big picture for a sec.
So we've been talking about all these incredible ways AI can help us, level up our blogging game, finding those hot topics, automating our marketing, all of that. But before we send everyone running to try the latest AI thing, let's zoom out for a sec. Big picture time.
What's really groundbreaking here isn't just the individual tools, is how it's changing our whole approach to blogging, It's not just you hunched over your laptop grinding away alone anymore. It's more collaborative now, more data-driven.
So less about AI replacing bloggers and more about AI being our co-pilot, helping us navigate this whole wild world of online content.
Exactly. Think of it this way. AI can handle the tech stuff, the data crunching, those little tweaks to optimize everything, all the things that honestly can make blogging feel like a chore sometimes.
And that frees us up to focus on the good stuff.
Yes. Your unique voice, your creativity, the connection you build with your readers, that's what really matters.
It's almost like AI is giving us permission to be, more human, more ourselves.
I love that because at the end of the day, people connect with people.
Oh.
Not algorithms, right? So yes, AI gets your content in front of more eyes, but it's that human element that keeps them coming back for more. The heart, the humor, all of it.
This has been seriously eye-opening. I came in feeling kind of overwhelmed by AI, but honestly, now I'm excited about it. Anything else we should be thinking about as we, dip our toes into the AI waters?
One thing to remember, AI is still pretty new, especially for content creation. There will be bumps in the road, things AI just can't do yet, ethical stuff to figure out.
So we can't just jump on every new AI tool that comes out. We have to be smart about it.
Exactly. Ask questions, don't be afraid to experiment. Find what works for you, what fits your goals and what you believe in. And just because you can automate something with AI doesn't always mean you should.
It's about using AI strategically, intentionally, not letting it run the show.
Exactly. And as you're trying out these AI tools, let your readers in on it. Tell them how you're using AI, what's working, what's not. Transparency and honesty are key.
Such good advice. Well, I think we've given everyone a lot to think about today. Any final words of wisdom as we wrap up this deep dive?
If you're even a little bit curious about AI and blogging, don't wait. Start playing around with the tools we mentioned, SEO Writing AI, Jasper, ChatGPT, Undetectable.ai. Lots of them have free trials, affordable options. Jump in, experiment, see what sparks your creativity. The future of blogging is here, and honestly, it's this awesome mix of human brilliance and AI power.
Time to unleash those blogging superpowers. Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of AI and blogging. Until next time, happy writing.